Velo's exchanges closed $9.4, which really is genuinely critical. Velo especially has a medium-term opposition at $5 in an unobtrusive manner. Velo's MR10 by and large shows a kind of descending pattern, which in a real sense is very critical. Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, which in a real sense is very critical. 31 Walk 2024. In this video, we will explicitly walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and in every way that really matters, attempt to answer these as often as possible, explicitly sought clarification on pressing issues facts, what for the most part is in every way that really matters, momentary cost expectation for Velo, explicitly is Velo and in every practical sense, why speculation, which in a real sense is genuinely huge, Velo support and opposition levels and so forth in a kind of significant manner. Yet, prior to plunging sort of profound into the Velo specialized investigation, generally let us fundamentally discuss the sort of current economic situations, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there by and large was a destruction of 184%, bringing the in every way that really matters whole cryptographic money market to $2, 675, 555, 602, 461 in an unpretentious manner. The sort of complete exchanging volume especially remains at $62, 396 to 878.040. Further appearance how 31 Walk 2024. In this video, we will by and large walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now and sort of attempt to answer these habitually in every practical sense, clarified some pressing issues facts. What certainly is momentary cost expectation for Velo, in a real sense, is Velo a truly wise speculation? Or so they for the most part thought. Bitcoin shares 52% of the entry market, while Ethereum has a strength of 16.33%, or so they truly thought, which fundamentally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $70,740.73 level after a vertical development of 0.74%, which really is very critical. Various elective, cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum especially has seen a cost increment of 2.6% coming to $3,624.18 during the past 24 hours in an exceptionally significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $604.84, following a value change of 0.5% within a similar time period, or so they most certainly thought. Sol, the essentially local coin of Solana sort of, is somewhere around 0.17 and presently exchanging at $196.69, which generally is very critical. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to $60 subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in an unpretentious way. These occasions in a real sense show that the market explicitly is going in a by and large descending course for extremely present moment, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Right now, a truly broad, genuinely bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in a huge manner. Velo backing and obstruction backing and opposition by and large are significant specialized pointers used to, for the most part, distinguish pretty key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, in every practical sense. Further appearance how these occasions in a real sense demonstrate that the market especially is going in a truly descending course for commonly present moment, which really is genuinely critical. Support especially is a level at which purchases by and large become in every practical sense all the more genuinely dynamic, and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which explicitly is very huge. Similarly, obstruction in a real sense is a level at which dealers generally become moved truly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how Velo support and opposition levels and so on in an extremely large manner. Following are the help and obstruction levels of Velo execution as per value examination market record. Velo explicitly is exchanging at $4 with an exchanging volume of $1 to 543,743, so Velo's MA10 most certainly shows a by and large descending pattern, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. However, Velo really has a value decline of 5.82% in the, for the most part, last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 11.71% over the course of the week with a by and large all-out market capitalization of $5,186,353 USD, showing how Velo support and obstruction levels and so on truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Velo value examination. Velo cost investigation for 31 Walk 2024 inside a day-to-day time span generally made sense of underneath, which in every practical sense shows what in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $70,740.73 level after a vertical development of 0.74% in an unpretentious manner. We utilize truly relative strength indexes, moving genuinely normal combination and difference MACD backing. Levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including commonly straightforward moving truly normal SMA and outstanding moving essentially normal MA to examine the future development of the Velo. Exceptionally further appearance how following truly are the help and obstruction levels of Velo execution as per value examination market file. Velo truly is exchanging at $4 with an exchanging of sort of 1,543,743 hasn't. So Velo SMA 10 truly shows a genuinely descending pattern in a very significant manner. The overall strength list RSI demonstrates that the Velo coin sort of is in oversold stage, as RSI sort of is at 30 in a sort of significant manner. The Velast moving sort of normal combination and difference MACD market truly is demonstrating an essentially present moment truly sell truly signal, as the MACD line truly is moving beneath certainly signal line, which sort of means truly bears generally are overwhelming on the lookout. So Velast exchanges closed $9.4 in an unpretentious way, while Velo's Williams % R marker sort of is at 95.32 for the 14-day time span, showing an oversold condition, and in every practical sense, momentary pattern really inversion basically is conceivable, exhibiting that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $604.84, following a value change of 0.5% within a similar time span, which generally is very critical. Bulls can move the market in vertical course, exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 52% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every practical sense has a strength of 1633% in an exceptionally significant manner. Velo basically is moving in commonly descending course as explicitly bears effectively sort of take the coin beneath quick help level of $14, exhibiting how the Velast moving really normal union and difference MACD pointer by and large is demonstrating an exceptionally present moment generally sell sort of sign, as the MACD line explicitly is moving underneath especially signal line, which in every practical sense implies especially bears certainly are ruling on the lookout. So Velast exchanges closed $4, or so they generally thought. Presently Velo ought to fundamentally track down a help at $4, or probably the dealers could then focus on the vital help level set at $5. Showing that yet prior to plunging exceptionally profound into the Velo specialized investigation, sort of allowed us basically to discuss the, for the most part, current economic situations, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Ends Velo explicitly is presently encountering a critical negative pattern. This doesn't be guaranteed to fundamentally suggest that the cryptographic money sort of is in an unsafe circumstance that can't exactly be redressed. Pretty further appearance how these occasions sort of demonstrate that the market basically is going in a kind of descending heading for pretty transient in every practical sense significant way. Regardless of whether the cost especially is falling consistently, it especially is guessed that the two help levels will truly act as